Hey guys, I bring to you another set of very interesting opportunity that you can apply straight away. The first opening is for all, everybody can apply. The second and third opening is only for female students. It is applicable for all batches 2022, 23, 24, any year student can apply. So make sure you watch the video till the end and apply to opportunity in the description. So these are the three opportunities we are going to talk about. First is Scalar HackX. It's a hackathon which will be conducted on 9th and 10th of October, which is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Any student can apply to any batch, any gender. Second opportunity we'll talk about is ZS Ace-a-thon, which is only for girls students. Boys cannot apply. Only 2022 batch girls can apply to this. So TechGeek is a technical platform which is conducting a bunch of events with different problems, statements, prizes, etc. So this is one contest sponsored by Amex American Express. So they are conducting this hackathon only for female students of any batch 2022, 3, 4, anybody can apply. So let's start with the first opportunity. Before we begin, I would like to make a simple request to you everyone. Please help us reach 150 likes in our video. More likes mean more reach of video, which means YouTube will recommend this video to more students, more people, and our reach will definitely increase. It will definitely motivate us. Apart from this, we have just crossed 10,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for all your support. Do join us tomorrow 6 p.m. that is on Saturday 9th October 6 p.m. Do join us for a live stream where we are thanking our subscribers and also announcing the future of 2bits, what all kind of content we are going to bring on our YouTube channel. So let's start without any other delay. HackX is a 2 days open source contest conducted by hackathon conducted by Scalar. You can either participate individually or up to a team of 5 members. You will get lots of prizes and also get interview opportunities in few companies: Z, Dunzo, MPL, ABM and Akamai. Okay, this is good opportunities. Good stipend will be provided for internship and good package for jobs. Apart from that, the rewards are this Apple Watch, I think this is Fitbit, and this is something else. This is some bag, Amazon vouchers, etc. Goodie hampers will be provided. There are different categories of special rewards, which is apart from this they will be giving. Best all female team will get this bag. Most innovative idea will get this, I don't know what it is. Best individual performance will get some kind of virtual reality player. You will get best beginner hack will get this. What is this? Boat speakers will be provided. Earphones, wireless earphone will be provided to the best Jugaad project. So there are a bunch of awards, prizes that you are going to win. Who should participate? Anybody can participate. First year, second year, third year, final year, or if you are a professional, you can also participate in this. These are some alumni. These are the tracks. Problem set will be provided to you in finance, in health, in education, in entertainment, and you can select anyone from it and apply for it. So the dates of this hackathon is 9 to 8 10th October, which is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I'm recording this video on 8th of October, so make sure you apply. Let me also tell you the sign up process, which is slightly complicated. Let me just log in quick. So this is the important part I wanted to show you. Once you sign up with your email and mobile number, you will see a screen like this. You have to enter your college. My college is HBTI Kanpur. Passing year, I passed in 2016, but I will fill 2022 in order to participate. So here it will ask you current employer. So you can just go to the drop down and select student. Okay, so don't get confused. They are asking for an employer. Go to the job title. You can also go select other. Okay, position, you can add student again, and then you can register. You will get updates, etc. for this hackathon when it starts. So do register for it. This is going to be an exciting opportunity. If you have any queries, let us know in the comments. The link to apply for HackX, which is Scalar's hackathon, is there in the description. First link, you can go and attend this hackathon. Second opportunity is only for girls. This is a Ace-a-thon. It's a challenge which ZS does every year. So this will be done from 23rd of October 9 AM to 31st of October 11:55. So you have around 14-15 days. Only 2022 pass outs can apply, and apart from that all the previous years can also apply. So only for 2022 batch female students who have percentage greater than 68% and above in all the 10th and 12th and graduation. Okay, so there are 2 roles you can apply, 3 roles: data science associate 0 to 2, decision analytics, business operation and business technology 0 to 5. So for the first role you have to do machine learning problem set. For this you have to business case study. For SDA, software development associate, you have to do programming and MCQ. So whichever roles you select, you will get your test according to this only. There are prices as well. Fitbit Versa, runner-up Samsung tablet, second runner-up Echo Dot, and all this kind of things is provided. I've already told you the details. You can also read the further JD of all the roles you want to apply for. This is an individual participant challenge. You cannot participate in teams, so you have to do it alone. So any girl who wants to go in a business analytics field must definitely apply for it. It will start at October 23. Let me show you how to register, because ZS has a lot of opportunities for freshers. So this is how your screen will look once you log in with your email ID. Either you can use Gmail login or just simply enter your email and then apply. Then you have to click for register. And there are a few things you have to fill. You have to select your gender, which is female, current location, contact number, college, degree, stream, graduation year, CGPA, and there are a few other questions. Are you willing to take job by this challenge? Yes. Here to do, got to know, you can select other. You want communication from them? Yes. Shortlisted? Yes. You have to mention some company. It is mandatory, so you can add any. Not available, not zero. Okay, so don't get confused by it. Just specifically select which job title you are applying for. You can only apply for one of all these. So 3 are eligible for you: data science associate, business operation, business technology, decision analytics. This profile, this is non-technical profile, and third is software development associate. So please think carefully which profile you are most interested in and then only apply. For data science, you will get a machine learning problem. For this decision analytics role, you will get a case study, and for associate you will get programming MCQs. The duration of this contest will be 3 hours, as it is mentioned here. Opens at 23 to 31st, so it will be open for 7 to 8 days. You can attempt at any time which is convenient to you. You can also do some sample challenges here which are available after logging in. If you have any more query, you can let me know in the comments, or you can connect with us on WhatsApp as well. But I think everything that you need to know I have already covered. Third opportunity is MX AI/ML Hackathon Tech Geek Goddess. So Tech Geek is conducting a contest called Geek Goddess, which is only for female students, and it is backed by MX company. American Express is a very famous company, bank actually. I think it is a bank for AI/ML. So it is a 3-round challenge. Let's look at. You can create a team. You can also participate in alone as well, individual as well. First prize will get 70,000 cash. Second prize will get 25,000 cash, and all these winners will also get PPI and PPO opportunities at MX, which they have mentioned everywhere. Okay, team size can be from 1 to 5. It will end on 30th November, so you can attempt it anytime you want. Sorry, you can't. The last date to do the first round is 25th of October, so you have to attempt this MCQ test. You have 2 attempts to attempt the screening MCQ online 30 minutes test. You will get 2 attempts. The last date to do is 25th of October. You cannot do after it, so make sure register. Registration is here is simple, so you can just go ahead and do it. Second round is an online hackathon round, so you have to first do screening phase, then you have to do the hackathon, okay, which is also same data 17th day. I think it must be related to AI/ML, some problem you must have to solve, provide some solution to it. And the last phase you have to do something else, grand finale, file upload. They haven't mentioned what more, but once you get selected in first 2 rounds, then only you will go to the third round. Last date of it is 19th of November. Okay, then why they have added 30th November? Okay, you can read about the company contest. Okay, so if you are interested in making a role in this data science AI field, and if you are a female student, you can definitely apply to it. You will find the link in the description in the third. Now, if you want to stay updated for all these latest opportunities, you can join our WhatsApp group. You will find a link in the description as well. All the good things happen in the description, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel.